An urgent weather message for the following counties in Ohio, Cuyahoga, and Summit. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Cuyahoga County in northeastern Ohio, northern Summit County in northeastern Ohio, until 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:09 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a tornado-producing storm was located over Parma, or 7 miles south of Cleveland, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, damaging tornado. Source, radar confirmed tornado. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic storm will be near Macedonia around 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Hudson and Twinsburg around 4:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Streetsboro around 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Glenville, Independence, Valley View, Brooklyn Heights, Seven Hills, Newburgh Heights, Cuyahoga Heights, Walton Hills, Broadview Heights, and Garfield Heights. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.